What's up, guys? It's been a while. I haven't uploaded for 2 weeks now, I think. I'll try to upload a video as fast as I can. But I just wanted to say last week it was finals and I finished everything already. Got everything turned in on time, so I'm good to go. And in this video, I'm actually super excited and pumped because I'm going to be building my first PC. I've been buying parts, collecting parts for a few months now, because if anyone knows about computers and tech, graphics cards are also like impossible to get, but I was lucky to get one. And yeah, I'll show you guys all the pieces or all the parts I'm using, the specs, and I might compare it to what I have, so it's going to be a major upgrade, a big plus, and definitely going to increase my production because of this new computer. So yeah, I'll show you guys of me building it. So yeah. Okay, here are most of all the components, I think. So starting with the CPU, I have right here a Ryzen 9 3900X. It's going to be a really good upgrade from what I currently have because I currently have a Ryzen 3 2200. So with the Ryzen 9 3900X, it will allow me to get up to 12 core 24 thread, which is going to be really good. There it is, 12 core 24 thread, Ryzen 9 3900X. So it can definitely handle all kinds of editing that I'm going to throw at it. And then moving on to the GPU, I guess I was able to get the Geforce RTX 3060 Ti. So that's pretty good. Happy with that. For RAM, I'm rocking 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Yep. So it's gonna be great. The tridentZ Neo down here. As for the memory, I have a 970 Pro Samsung Nvme M.2 for 512 gigabytes. I know it sounds very little, but I might get more later on down the line, because my motherboard is the X570 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi, which is one of the newest generation motherboards, the 500 series, and it can hold two M.2 drives, one supporting Gen 4 M.2s, so I can always upgrade storage later on. And I have here a V240 AIO for the CPU, so better performance. And then I have some extra fans right here. I think they are the 120 Aisahorse, or Aisahorse, not Asian horse, Aisahorse. You can see. And then as for the case right here, I'm rocking the Fractal Design Meshify C, which has really good reviews. It has really good airflow as well, so yeah, that's good. And I have some extra fans, so I might replace the original fans with some RGB fans. And then lastly, I have a power supply, the V750 watt gold, 80 plus gold edition certified, with and it's a white edition, so it has white colored cables. Yeah, as you can see, I kind of like the white theme. My case is white, the power supply is white, the AIO is also white, so it's not like the classic dark color. But yeah, those are the specs, those are the parts. I'm gonna try my best to do everything right because this is my first time building a computer, a PC, and I've been watching so many tutorials, a bunch of them. I think I have a good idea of what I'm doing, but I might still need help, so I'm gonna hit up my friends on Discord or wherever if I need it. So yeah, but I'll try my best to do everything myself. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I'm just gonna do this on my carpet, so I don't drop anything, but I'm gonna start with the motherboard. Nice logo right here. As you can see, I can put one M.2 here, and I can put a second M.2 here. So it's great. Sorry about that. Let's see. Okay, so I've been working on this computer for a very long time. This cable management is horrendous, and I still haven't put in the graphics card yet, but overall, I'm gonna take it down. I think should break. Looks pretty good, I think. It's great. I hope I had plugged everything in correctly, because all these cables are kind of confusing. But I've been at this for a few hours already, and as you can see, it's getting dark outside. Sun setting. Already set, and I don't know if I can finish it today. And even if I do, I don't know if it'll work, but I'll keep you guys updated. A lot of the parts I didn't record because I honestly didn't even know what I was doing, so I just spent a lot of time like just reading the manuals and going over that and recording it, and also building it was kind of, there's a lot going on, so yeah. But I'll keep on working on this. I'm pretty close to done, I hope, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so I just put the graphics card in right there, and then I plugged in all the power, all this. I think. Let me move this over. Can I be? Cable management is not so good. I'll try to work on that another time. But I think everything is connected. So last thing to do is plug it in. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's plug this in. Let's turn this on. Is there anything? Anything? Whoa! Okay. That's a good sign. I guess let's press the power. There we go. Oh my god. Uh-oh. What happened? Wait. Whoa! Look at that RGB! Holy It's so quiet. It's so quiet compared to my current computer up there. It's so quiet. Let me grab the remote, and then let's see if I can change the RGB real quick. Okay. Let's see if the fan do red. Ooh, green, blue. Can I? White, off, and on mode. That looks cool. That looks so cool. Oh my god, I'm hyped. Now I just gotta connect this to the computer. But now that I know everything is working, yeah, the graphics card is spinning. The AIO is spinning. All the fans are working. Yeah, so the thing is, I had these 5 fans right here. So there's this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these 5 fans are a set, and these 2 fans are from the AIO. these two fans. So that's why these two have different RGB compared to those. I'll just see if I can configure those later on, but oh, that's so satisfying to see it work. Oh, whew. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. Okay. Okay, hello guys. So last night I went to eat dinner and then I got super tired, so I just crashed right away, so I didn't actually get to test out my computer. And I was also passing over a lot of my files and stuff from my old computer to my hard drive so I can still keep it. But right now it's the next day already, and I'm gonna try to hook it up to the monitor and get everything to work. So yeah, it's kind of exciting down here, but lighting's bad. Oh, that's better. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so I was just actually troubleshooting some stuff because I had no idea how it worked, and also I decided to just take my hard drive from my old computer, which is down there. I decided to just take my hard drive out and put it in there, and hopefully it's gonna work. Fingers crossed. Let's try hitting the BIOS. Maybe not, but at first it just showed an error. It was just like, oh, reboot or input something, input settings. So fingers crossed, hopefully it works, and then I can start downloading all my applications and make cool things. So yeah, it's working. Is it working? That's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Oh, let's see. Let's see if it works. Okay, mouse is responding. It's good. I might have to adjust the settings because it looks so weird. It's like extremely big. But down real quick. Okay, so it is working. However, it looks so, the size is kind of off. Let me see if I can adjust that real quick, but yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Okay, so I think I finally got it to work. I have Discord open, I got Wi-Fi, and I still haven't put on the panel yet, but it's right over here. It's right over here. And I still haven't pulled the sheet off because I wanted to make sure everything was good. But yeah, I'm gonna put it back on right now and we'll see, okay? Hello guys, so let me see, I'm gonna turn you around real quick so you could see I'm on my computer, and I got my PC right here that I've built. Just editing another video, as you could see. I'm actually editing this video right now, this PC video. But so I've been using this computer for, let me see, about a week, 2 weeks roughly, and it is a major upgrade compared to what I had before. Actually, my old computer is right over there. Still don't know what to do with it yet. Maybe I'll sell it, who knows, or I'll keep it here for now. It's not in the way of anything. But yeah, this computer is very good. I did a few things on After Effects and it was insanely smooth. I made a HUD animation and another turtle animations. Some of you guys might have seen it on my Instagram. I'll probably put my Instagram tag somewhere here so you guys can follow me. But yeah, I'm very happy with this computer, and can't wait to make more stuff. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. It's definitely gonna be a long video because actually making, from starting to make the computer till actually getting everything up and running with all the BIOS, setting up Windows and everything was like 3 separate days. But I was glad I got everything done. I asked a few friends on Discord for help. Shout out to you guys. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely very long, but with this new computer I'm gonna definitely make a lot of new cool stuff. So yeah.